Local news for Thursday, the 21st of December. The Local Government's Commission recommends Wellington councils take joint action on urban areas' transport and planning challenges. One of the recommendations is that South Wairarapa, Carterton, Masterton and Kapiti Coast District Councils consider whether joining Wellington Water could improve efficiency and effectiveness of the Three Waters services to residents and ratepayers. November was a busy month for real estate sales. All regions were up, Carterton and South Wairarapa in particular. In the rural sector, though, a thin market with limited listings and a few sales, but some external interest in dairy units. And the Wellington region winners in the Best Cafe have been announced, and for the Best Regional Town, Everest from Featherston have been named winners. And in sport, in JLT Condor, a continental team from the UK will return to Wairarapa next month to contest the New Zealand Cycle Classic. The five-stage Cycle Classic begins on Wednesday the 17th of January with a 120-kilometre return stage from Masterton to Alfreton. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.